here, I just want you guys to, take a trip down the memory lane, especially to those, who
trip down a bit of Kolkata on rickshaw. This one is a bit hatke, not the regular political stuff you are inundated with. Struck that a different subject could be delved into a Labour Day, reports Diganta Guha from Kolkata. Yes, a rickshaw ride is not to be missed if you are in Kolkata. Over the years, the hand-pulled vehicles have given way to these ones which are extremely popular in any part of the city. They say Dhaka is the rickshaw capital of the world. But in my view, it has to be the city of joy. I am not saying this because I hail from this part of the country, but it is coming from the core of my heart. But Kolkata is the rickshaw capital of the world. Not too much that they earn, maybe rupees 200-300 per day, but many of them have spent through their nose to build a lucrative career for their kids. No more writing, just enjoy the ride as we try to beat the heat.
Hello everybody, this is Diganta Guha from Air News Agency, Kolkata. This time around, I'm not here to discuss any serious topic. Of course, it's pretty hot in Kolkata. The temperature is only boiling. And we are told that we could actually touch the 43-45 degree Celsius mark. And if that happens, life will be hell. But out here, I just want you guys to, take a trip down the memory lane, especially to those, who have been staying away from Kolkata for ages. This is actually a rickshaw ride. A rickshaw is a very special vehicle which people use. Most people have cars, but despite all that, it's nostalgia. It's very romantic. I'll show you around. See guys, here we go. We're traveling by a rickshaw. কি দাদা কতদিন ধরে রিকশা চালাচ্ছেন? কতদিন ধরে রিকশা চালাচ্ছেন? ভাল লাগছে? গরমে ভাল লাগছে না? কি করছেন গরমে? জল টল খাচ্ছেন? ঠান্ডা জল খাচ্ছেন? Okay. This is an empty park in Salt Lake. It's very hot, so people are not here. Had it been October, November, you would have been seeing a lot of guys and kids playing over here. This drive is just unbeatable. This drive is just unforgettable because it's romance, the city of joy. It is the city of joy, and every time you ride a rickshaw, you get a different experience altogether. You feel like shutting your car, shutting your big, vehicles, and just be on a rickshaw. Be on a rickshaw and enjoy the trip. It's romantic as well. There are so many songs, Bollywood or Bengali films, which are associated with rickshaw ride. Rickshaw ride, I tell you, is an experience of a kind. I'll just show you around. This is how a rickshaw drives. It's electric rickshaw. There are, hand-pulled rickshaws as well in some parts of the city. But in this part of the city, Salt Lake, these rickshaws are actually calling the shots, and they're very popular. You can sing a song, you can hum a song, and you can actually take a trip down the memory lane. You can go back in time and actually, recall those days when rickshaw was perhaps one of the most important vehicles. Rickshaws are still rickshaws are still very important. It's no way can you actually, ignore them. But it's also, mentionable. It's also mentionable that cars have taken over. There are other ways there are other means also. But within Salt Lake, many people actually prefer this rickshaw ride. It's very romantic. It's very romantic. It's very nostalgic, and it's always worth cherishing. Thank you once again. I'll just show you around a bit. Estimates say in this city, thousands and thousands of rickshaws are still here. They come to the rescue of the people. If the car is not working, a rickshaw works. They don't cover long distances, but this ride makes you actually very happy. If you're disappointed, if you're not happy, if you're sad, if you're down, then just ride a rickshaw, because that will help you get out of all those complications and look at life afresh. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is Diganta Guha reporting for Air News Agency, Kolkata.